All right, the changes are happening today. We talked about this at noon, that we were all celebrating a lot of sunshine to start the day, but we knew this evening was on the way.
For sure, and we definitely need rain. This is good, and honestly, the pattern we're getting into, at least there will be some rain. I have to say, it's not ideal, though. What would be kind of ideal for us is if we had some type of nor'easter or storm that would just sit offshore for a couple days and soak us.
Oh.
That's really what we need, because we're still in a drought.
Right.
But what the result will be of the next several days are just kind of hit and miss showers.
Nuisance rain instead of that good soak for the ground.
But we'll take whatever we can get. In some places this evening, look at a few good downpours. This is a look at the satellite radar now. Of course, we had sunshine this morning. Now clouds are coming in from the west. It is really warm in central and southern New Hampshire still, in southern Vermont. And it's no coincidence that's where the strongest storms are at this point. In fact, all of the lightning is in this part of the line, back in upstate New York into central Vermont. We don't have any lightning around here yet. These are just some downpours coming in from the west. This one, though, headed through about Bartlett, New Hampshire, is flaring up a little bit. So you'll get a good downpour, I think, around Conway, headed into Freiburg and Brownfield in the next hour. And then we have some steady, moderate rain that's moving through the western Maine mountains right now. Wind coming in off the ocean, that will help to knock down the severity of any of those storms to the west. But look at Manchester, New Hampshire. They're baking at 85 right now, still in the warm weather there. So over the next few hours, all of this will move east. The highest chance to hear a few rumbles of thunder within the rain will be around 7:30, I think, and maybe a bit sooner than that near the New Hampshire border. And then after that, the action weakens considerably. The rest of the night tonight, it doesn't get all that cold. I think we'll start tomorrow morning in the upper 40s to around 50. Central, eastern, northern Maine tomorrow, a lot of clouds. You will not see much sun here. There's a chance there's a little sun, especially in the morning, though, in the southwestern corner of the state. That could push temperatures there into the upper 50s to near 60. Most other places, though, cloudy and cool tomorrow, with a chance for a few showers in the afternoon. These will be scattered around. I don't think it adds up to all that much rain, but if you have plans in the afternoon, you'll be dodging a few showers, I think, tomorrow. Now, this front stays over us here the next couple of days, and on Thursday, we get another round of some showers, probably steadier in northern Maine, otherwise lots of clouds and temperatures in the lower to mid-50s. The biggest question in the forecast remains on Friday, and does an area of low pressure kind of swell up along this front, bringing us a steadier period of some showers or even some rain on Friday? It's tough to see how this plays out in a positive way for us, because this may kind of linger to our south Friday night and Saturday, and then we get this deep onshore flow, which probably promotes fog and drizzle on Saturday. I don't think there's steady rain really on Saturday, but it looks kind of like a murky day. I will say, though, there is one computer model, at least, that's a little bit more optimistic for Friday, and this goes to show the game we play this time of the year. If we're able to get some breaks of sun and diminish the coverage of the rain, Friday could be a little bit warmer, but right now we're leaning on this more pessimistic side. Cloudy, cooler, with numerous showers around on Friday. So we'll have to see how that plays out between now and then, but I'm not as optimistic as I was yesterday that we'll see sun on Friday. Seas tomorrow, 2 to 4 feet with an east to northeast wind, 5 to 10 knots. So maybe a little sun tomorrow. The best bet would be in southern Maine in the morning, and then some scattered showers in the afternoon. Lots of clouds Thursday and Friday, with showers now looking likely on Friday. If we're able to break up some of that rain, it could be warmer, but we're going to hold us in the 50s for now. Saturday, I think your best bet to warm a little bit more would be inland. That's where you're probably going to have some sunshine in the afternoon. Along the coast, it may stay cloudy all day on Saturday with that onshore wind. And then the next front brings afternoon showers on Sunday. Behind that, it's cooler on Monday. There could even be some snow flurries up in the mountains, the high terrain on Monday. But the rest of us were in the 40s and then around 50 on Tuesday. I'm hoping at that point we can break into a little bit more consistently nice pattern.
Yeah, a little dip in the overnight temperatures again starting next week.
Yeah.
We'll take a nicer pattern.
I'll
Right,
try.
thank you.
Yeah.